Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify ETF expenses with Morningstar, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify ETF expenses using Morningstar, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Morningstar website. In the search bar, type the name or ticker symbol of the ETF you want to analyze. Press the Enter key to search. Once the ETF's page loads, locate the Key Metrics section. Here, you will find the expense ratio listed. Take note of this figure as it represents the annual fee expressed as a percentage of assets. Scroll down to find additional details about the ETF. Check for any information about management fees and other related costs. Examine the Performance tab for insights on how expenses impact returns. Next, locate the Portfolio section to assess the fund's holdings. Here, you can confirm how well the ETF aligns with your investment strategy. If available, review the Analysis section for expert commentary on expenses. Make sure to check the comparison feature for other ETFs with similar objectives. This allows you to evaluate how your selected ETF stacks up against its peers. Finally, consider the long-term impact of the ETF's expenses on your overall investment. Once you have gathered all the information, you can make a more informed decision. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.